happen? Hey, are you okay? Wake up. Hey, come on, you're gonna wake up, right? What's going on here? I don't understand what happened.
What the?
Hey, what's going on here?
I can't. You have to help me. This man on the floor right here, he tied me up like this. He dragged me and you here. Don't you remember?
No, I guess I don't really recall much.
Last night, we were out late. Our car broke down. The dark man, he approached us. You know, he wanted to help. But all he had on his mind was dragging us here.
Then how come you're tied up and I'm not?
When he hit you from behind on your head, you fell to the ground without a sound. I didn't let him have me that easily. I gave it my all, but I couldn't hold him back. He tied me up, gagged me, and threw us in his van. When we arrived at this place that we are now, I awoke and saw you laying over there. I tried to break free, but the ropes were too tight. He saw me, though, trying to break free. And when he came over to hit me over the head, I kicked his feet out. He must have fallen downward and hit me in the head with his. And we must have been knocked out for quite some time.
We better get out of here then before this man wakes up.
The sooner the better. Oh.
Almost there. This man must have been very strong.
Oh. I'll tell that to my wrists. But I thank you. Check for a key to open this door. You check by the tanks and I'll check his body. Raven, don't let him loose. I found the key. Let's go.
Hold on. How do I know that you're not trying to escape and that you're not the actual bad guy? There's only one thing I can remember, and that's my name. If our relationship and our story is true, you know my name.
Of course I know your name, Raven.
I'm sorry I doubted you. Maybe when we get out of here, you can help me remember all the details that I lost?
I'm the only one who could ever do that for you. Release him, Raven!
No, what's wrong? Dad!
No, you fools! You got your way, Merle. You got her away from me. You and your selfish desires. We could have rebuilt the entire human race. We had the key, a woman! But of course, you've exposed the room to the unstable, poisonous atmosphere which we used to call home. Now it's no longer safe in here. Here, which we could have called home, Raven. And Merle tricked you into escaping with him so he could have you. And let it end that way. Just you and him together. I'm not afraid.
I'm not afraid of what's to come next. The best is already taken from me. The only thing I can do now is watch.
Oh, sweetheart, you forgot to poke holes on the top so the little bugs can breathe. Come on. Let's go get washed for dinner.